In an exciting twist for automotive enthusiasts, Lynx Motors, in partnership with Graham Rahal Performance, is bringing a street-legal version of the iconic Ford Matech Concepts GT1 Le Mans race car back to life. The backstory behind this remarkable revival is a bit complicated, but the result is poised to be nothing short of spectacular. Matech Concepts, once a major player in the world of motorsports, went bankrupt, leaving their assets available for acquisition. Lynx Motors seized the opportunity and acquired the rights to the GT1 project, breathing new life into the first-generation Ford GT chassis. What they've created is an eye-catching hypercar that brings a unique blend of motorsport pedigree and modern performance. The road-going version of the Ford GT1 will not just be a pretty face. It's packed with performance and design enhancements that will appeal to both motorsport fans and luxury car lovers. The car will sport a wider stance than the original race car, with a full carbon fiber body that gives it a sleek and aggressive look. Expect to see prominent aerodynamic additions, including a large front splitter, canards, and a sizable rear wing, all designed to optimize downforce and enhance the car's handling on both the road and the track. As for the interior, not much has been revealed yet, but renderings of the cabin give us a glimpse into what's to come. The updated interior features a new steering wheel, a wireless smartphone charger, and two-tone upholstery with carbon fiber accents, reflecting the car's high-performance roots while still offering luxury and comfort. The materials used and the design choices all speak to the exclusivity of the vehicle, with every detail crafted to elevate the driving experience. Under the hood, the Ford GT1's transformation into a hypercar becomes even more apparent. The original race car's engine has been reworked into a supercharged V8 that will produce more than 1,200 horsepower. This powerhouse engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission from Ricardo, a gearbox that will appeal to driving purists looking for the thrill of full control. This combination ensures that the Lynx GT1 will be more than capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a matter of seconds, with a top speed that will push the limits of what many would consider possible on the open road. The vehicle will be produced in limited quantities, with only 28 units slated for production, making it an extremely rare and exclusive model. Each car will be hand-built in Zionsville, Indiana, by Graham Rahal Performance, ensuring the highest standards of craftsmanship and performance. The price tag for this rare gem is expected to be around $1.7 million, a price that reflects its bespoke design, performance capabilities, and limited availability. Interestingly, Lynx Motors' website also mentions two variants of the GT1, namely the Gulf and Eau Rouge editions. However, these appear to be part of an earlier plan for the car, as the details surrounding these versions are still somewhat unclear. According to a brochure, the Gulf variant was intended to have a twin-turbo V8 engine producing more than 1,200 horsepower. The Eau Rouge version, on the other hand, was rumored to have 1,400 horsepower. These variants could add even more excitement to the project if they come to fruition, but for now, the focus remains on the street-legal GT1. Whether you're a fan of classic Le Mans cars or a collector of exclusive hypercars, the revival of the Ford GT1 by Lynx Motors is an exciting development that promises to shake up the automotive world. With its combination of legendary racing pedigree, cutting-edge design, and blistering performance, this street-legal version of the GT1 is sure to be a coveted addition to any serious car enthusiast collection.